Market segmentation. The consumers of cereal have different needs that they want to get fulfilled by the industry. Therefore, it is important to understand the different preference amongst the consumer. Marketing. The right marketing for the cereal industry is very important. They need to promote themselves the right way against the different target groups and segmentation. Value for money. Consumers need to feel that they get value for their money regarding the product. Low-cost production. Low-cost production will benefit the companies in the industry. Brand recognition. A strong name and brand is important. It is in consumer subconscious and loyal customers is important. Style and design. The style and design of the packaging is important. It gives the companies opportunity to differentiate and highlight the issues they want. The companies who will be the most efficient to seek and use these key factors success will gain the competitive advantage.
Kellogg SWOT analysis. Strength. Brand successful. Kellogg's products continue to dominate the cereals market as consumers trust brands and often find the quality and taste of on-label product inferior. The health effect. Those cereals that are perceived as more naturally healthy than others have experienced a flip in sales as the consumer returns to old favorites. Convenient and easy to prepare. Therefore, a high penetration and high frequency of usage, and variety and range of choice. Weaknesses. Volume sales. The breakfast cereal market is highly developed, leaving not much room for Kellogg to grow much further in terms of the volume of sales. Often singled out in the media as being not as healthy as it claimed. Rising grain prices will affect Kellogg in the future. Threats. Rising cereal prices. Grain prices are expected to rise due to increasing numbers of farmers switching to production for biofuel, bad harvests, and demand from China. If grain prices rise rapidly, forcing retail selling price to rise, then the market may well outgrow this rather conservative scenario. There is a consumer trend towards tastier cereals and new similar products that are being launched by other brands. Kellogg's market share has been affected by competitors such as General Mills and Quarter Oats by using price competition and product collaboration, which is low switching cost. Kellogg is now facing its toughest competition from a new joint venture between General Mills and Nestle SA, known as the Cereal Partners Worldwide, which is CPW, while CPW has already claimed a 50% share of the UK's market. Opportunities. The health concern. Health concerns are the greatest importance for this group, and as such, the health efforts that now underpin product formulation, marketing and promotional activity that in this market has a particular resonance. The aging population. The aging population has been beneficial for the development of the cereal market. Older consumers, particularly those who are retired and have time to have breakfast, they are less likely to skip their meals to keep their weight down or to snack. Going up market. Product differentiation. Indeed, going forward with the rising commodity prices of cereals, it will be increasingly important for the manufacturers to find a point of differentiation for which consumers will be prepared to pay a premium price. 4P. Kellogg's marketing mix with price, place, product and promotion. Price, company doing the premium price strategy as well as place with distribution and strong retail network. Product, what known as a premium quality with quality product differentiation and healthy product. Promotion with differentiation, marketing strategy and style and design. Competitive strategy. Health concerns are now top of mind when consumers buy breakfast cereals. The rise has been an idea for us to develop into two key factors, which is product differentiation and building a stronger brand. Product differentiation as the growth of the great price. Company like Kellogg's, known as the cereal brand leader, should add more value into the product as well as the product's extension. Building a stronger brand, we are looking into the brand personality and brand identity. Brand personality, by understanding the parents' want, they will buy whatever their kids love and need. So therefore, we are as the leader of the market really should concentrate on how to look good and more attractive, and the most important factor is to keep making the new flavor so they can have a different taste every day in a week. This idea will help kids consider the company products not only the daily demand but also as a real friend. Communicating this to children is increasingly a challenge with the tightening of advertising law. This has put much more emphasis on front of pack communications. Kellogg's cereals must appeal both to the parents purchasing and the child looking for a sense of fun or excitement from the pack. Brand identity. The company will focus on quality of the products and products advertising so we can attract a wider range of customers.
Thank you for watching us. Goodbye.